Yeah, we do like films of strange birds, and that's a wagtail, a pied wagtail.
Absolutely.
Come to see what we're looking at.
Well, that amuses me with them. They're always looking all over the place, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
You've got to keep eyes open for raptors, I suppose.
Yes. Yeah, because it would make a snack for something, wouldn't it?
See that then? He just went...
Yeah, just
they
opened
don't
his...
make a noise, but apparently I've been finding out recently they do. It's a weird little...
It's a clicky sort of noise, isn't
yeah,
it?
almost a croak, but much higher pitched. Oh, another one.
Well, he seems jolly enough, doesn't he?
Oh, they are. They're lovely little characters. I get them putting on displays for me outside the window and round the back. They're definitely characters.
He's having a little delouse, isn't he?
Oh, they're very fussy about their plumage. Vain little... Ain't you, kid?